Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Christy Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kylie Trail. She's the brand manager for the Kentucky Beef Council. Good morning, Kylie.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here. And today you are showing us some delicious summer appetizers. And oftentimes when people think of appetizers, they don't think about beef. But today you are going to show us how we can incorporate beef into those finger foods.
Yes, beef is so fabulous and versatile, from steak to burgers. They're so easy for, a summer gathering at the pool, or if the kids have a birthday party. It's so fun. There's so many different things, like this beef bruschetta appetizer looks a little more upscale, and this is more like a picnic summer food. So
Definitely. And I love that you said it's versatile, because sometimes depending on the event, we might want something a little more upscale or classy, and then we might just want something more laid back. So we have this beef bruschetta. Kylie, it smells amazing. Walk us through how you made it.
Yes, so we have some ciabatta rolls, and then they are brushed with an olive oil. And I think in that olive oil there's some garlic and salt and pepper. And then on top of that, we have some feta cheese and garlic as well that was simmered down and cooked down to be more of a spread.
And feta already has such a wonderful creamy flavor, but adding that garlic just sends it over the top.
Yes, for sure. And then we have the flat iron steak, which is a great versatile cut. You can use it, and it's a big cut. So you can use it for fajitas. You can use it for an appetizer and cut it up and have a bunch, and it's economical. Now, I will say, if it's not like in a vacuum sealed pack with juices already, flowing through it, then you want to marinate it a little bit, because it can be on the tougher side. Now, on top of that, we have a little bit of a tomato mix. So there's some basil in there. There's some olives and some olive oil and salt and pepper, and
so many flavors.
So many flavors combined.
So many flavors, and all of it combined together makes such a pleasing sight, and the flavors are just out of this world. I think guests would be very impressed by this. And also over here we have these sliders, which you can never go wrong with sliders.
No, for sure. So this is a burger board that we've kind of put together. This could be a last minute thing. You've got some buns, you've got some hamburger in the fridge. So this first one here in the back, we've got some lettuce and then mango salsa. So I cheated a little, and I didn't make the mango salsa. I just bought it. So super quick, super easy, even if you had just regular salsa. But I feel like that's something that it's good together, but you don't really think about it.
No, and mango salsa is another one of those unique ingredients that might be just a wow factor.
Yeah, for sure. And then moving on to this one, we've got some Swiss and onion jam. Now that combination right there is great. It's fabulous if you've never had it. Now that onion jam, you can buy it just at your grocery store. I had never really had it, but it's like the caramelized, so it's a sweeter flavor with the more of a bitter Swiss cheese.
So that's right here. I see some cucumbers peeking out.
Yes. So this is kind of like a Greek spin of a slider. So we've got some cucumbers and some tzatziki sauce, and that just like screams summer. Super fresh. You can use your fresh cucumbers out of the garden, and if you have tomatoes coming out of your ears, that the salsa is a great option, as well as that appetizer.
The bruschetta.
Over there. Yes.
Kylie, I love how you've taken some pre-made salsa, some pre-made tzatziki sauce, and you've incorporated it to make just some really beautiful finger foods for whatever kind of get-together we may have this summer. Kylie, if someone wants these recipes, how can they get them?
Yes, so anytime you're ever thinking, oh gosh, what do I do with this hamburger? What do I do with this cut of steak? Or what do I do with this on sale, cut that I've got?
Yeah.
So you can go to kybeef.com. We have all sorts of recipes, all sorts of tips and tricks. These recipes are on there under the Beef Month tab, but we have some fabulous stuff going on there. And then also on our socials at kybeef, everywhere, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.